I am not a drug addict. I'm not trying to get medical marijuana. I'm not trying to get 5 different prescriptions for OxyContin from 5 different doctors at 5 different pharmacies. I'm not trying to buy some suspicious amount of Sudafed. All I want to do is get my hands on my new epilepsy medication, but the FDA and the DEA seem dead set against me getting it. You see, I started a new medication recently. It's called Onfi, and the FDA only approved it for use in the US a few months ago, so right now it's considered a controlled substance, just like Coke or meth. And what that means is that my doctor cannot order my prescription using electronic prescribing systems like Allscripts. In fact, she can't even fax it to the pharmacy or even mail it to the pharmacy. It has to be delivered to me in paper, and I have to drop it off in person to the pharmacy. They cannot do refills on it. They cannot keep it in stock, so it always has to be special ordered. And now even my insurance company doesn't want to pay for all of it, so I can buy it on my own if I want for the very reasonable price of $1,700 a month. So all pouting aside, what I've seen is that this is another example of the government and the healthcare industry being mistrustful of electronic communications. And I get the whole being more comfortable with paper thing, but it really seems like this is an example of where technology could be helpful in controlling controlled substances. For example, the Allscripts program allows physicians and pharmacists to talk to each other directly without any suspicious individuals like me getting in the middle of it. And if a health information exchange system was set up that let pharmacists communicate with each other from location to location, it would be easier to find those people who are manipulating the system to get suspicious amounts of OxyContin. They would be able to notify physicians if they think a patient might have an addiction problem, and they could save insurance companies money. And honestly, I'm the one who's the controlled substance. I can't be controlled, and honestly, I get a little violent after a seizure, so really they should be trying to help me get this controlled substance so that they can control me. Until next time, this is Sarah Peters saying, I don't need any Oxy, but if you have an Onfi connection, could you hook me up?